Oyelami Seun, my mentee, my friend. Happy birthday, Engineer Dr. Seun Oyelami. You remain one of my very outstanding mentees and worthy role model to our vast youthful population. You have been an inspiring role model your entire life. Your legacy of inspiration will enrich lives of the youths of today and those of every new generations to come. Thanks for being a blessing to this generation. You have written your name in gold in the hearts of students the world over. You are truly unique and deserves the best respect that comes with accomplishing so much within a relatively short period of time and in these chaotic times. In reminiscence of our times together right from Ogbomoso in 2002, permit me to call you Seun Ọkọ Fadeke, Bàbá Ìbejì tí ò common, Bàbá Táíwò, Bàbá Kẹ́hìndé, my colleague, my brother, my confidant, my friend, Engineer Dr. Seun Oyelami. The best years of your life are yet to come. Happy birthday to a visionary youth, an accomplished mechanical engineer, a man that has impacted positively in so many lives and humanity as a whole. You will always be on top and be greatly favored in all good things. Amen.
Seun Oyelami, ọmọ wọn Odeomu, ọmọ ajóbọ̀rọ̀ nílé, ọmọ ajífọlárọra. Odeomu alẹ́ ọ̀tá, ọmọ adúró gbọ̀ngbọ̀n níwájú ogun. Ọmọ akògbọ́tèké, ọmọ adúró gbọ̀ngbọ̀n nídìí òdodo. Odeomu àràbàlú tí bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́rù.
Ọ̀mọ̀wé Seun Oyelami, ó kú oríire ọjọ́ ìbí ẹ o. Ìgbà ọdún